Hey Penny, is that your new mobile phone?
Yes, it is great, isn't it?
Yes, it looks nice. What are the characteristics of this phone?
Well, I'm sure I can text and send emails. It also has a camera.
Yes, this phone is great.
We all have them and we all use them. What is it about? The gadgets. Everybody has at least one. Let's have a look at what can we do with these mighty devices. 1. Chat. Talk online or talk with your friend. 2. Text. Write short messages. 3. Concentrate. Fix your attention on something. 4. Deal with. Cope with something. 5. Impact. Influence. 6. Extension. A process of making something bigger. But is your interaction with gadgets limited by the use of your phone? The answer is no. 1. Go online. 2. Read a book. 3. Check emails. 4. Download a file. 5. Install a program. Let's try to make sentences with these phrases. What's your favorite gadget? Now let's have some practice.